Hey guys, I'm Danielite, and this is how to make huge hardstyle lead with VIPER, as I promised. Okay, nothing to really talk about at the moment. Let's show you pre-wipe, and then I will show you how you can easily layer and get pretty nice lead. And let's jump into it. Kick, by the way, is from my samples pack. Kick name was Damn Mad 3. No, just Damn Mad. Mad. Okay, first layer. Right, I will disable all these effects. Solo, also disable reverb delay. Like so. First layer is live for 2. Haven't changed anything from the preset itself, and I just cut. Oops, I forgot to disable OTT. Just cutting out the low, and we don't need this information on the leads, and a little bit of the boost on the highs. And I add OTT to add some extra frequencies. And there is really just taking this depth to 23 and upward and downward 39% downward and 36 upward. And this is the first layer. This one is heavy detuned soft layer. Sorry about that. And again, I forgot to disable this EQ. Already can hear this nasty low end. Nothing really. I always cut out above 20,000 Hz because humans anyway don't hear it, and in the master it can do bad things. And also nothing changed there. When I made this preset pack, I pretty much wanted to, you can easily layer them. As you can see, you have a lot of the leads you can layer. I will show in the future some of just euphoric hardstyle leads you can layer with this pack. This is hyper soft. Maybe you can play with the release. It's your prefer. It's how to say, by your liking. And again, nothing really fancy. EQ also just cutting out the sides. You can easily tell if layer works or no, not working if you enable and disable and you don't hear difference. That means you don't need this layer. And last layer I used to make the mid, kind of the mid layer, fat layer from the presets 15th. And here I cut out just the high end, like always, low end. Because we have the layers that fill this high end. Maybe if you're interested in this is Blocked Sound Classic Bell. I just made a little bit to spice up the pre-vibe. Then I add OTT, also nothing fancy there, just def, downward and upward. And my all-time favorite preset, Hip Hop Puncher from Color, and there you get it. And I didn't change anything there. Really powerful. And VC2A compressor to get this punchy feeling. Like you see, you don't need really the thousands of the plugins and so on, like many say just wave, and this is for the fading and stuff. And when the kick comes in, I just use Shut the Fuck Up sidechain. It's free plugin. Giving some room for the kick, and just lead reverb, send reverb. But this is how you can layer and get pretty nice and fat sound. And if you guys need some tutorial or guides, just let me know. I try to make, and don't forget to leave a comment. I read every comment and trying to answer to every comment. See you in next video. Have a nice day.